Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Rudy here with your yacht service, and we are here on location in Spruce Grove, and you can hear the tools, the engine rattle in the background. Matt is there, hard at action. What we do today is we have a little landscape fix, a lawn fix. We have a patch of lawn along a sidewalk in the front of the entrance, which has turned bad for whatever reason. So we are taking out that lawn, that strip of lawn, and dispose it. We dig down deep, about 6 inches, fill that 6 inches back up with beautiful topsoil and nutritious stuff where the grass actually wants to grow, and install new fresh sod. Install a water system so the sod stays watered, stays moist, and doesn't die. So this is what we're going to do here. There's just like a 2 foot by 20 foot little lawn strip that we're going to change out, and just a little landscape enhancement project or fix on a Saturday afternoon. And let me follow you along. So Matt just cut an edge to basically define what we're gonna take out. We had a little rope here to give some guidance. Now you see this here, this little groove we just cut with the power edger. So that's our edge, and all this stuff has to come out. You see all this bad lawn, and this is the front door. So you're gonna see that all the time, every day, any day. So that's an eyesore. We're gonna take that out. Take out about 6 inches deep of soil. Fill this back up. Put new sod back in. And voila. Hopefully this will stay nice till the end of the season, and next season, and next season, and so forever. So we are back with dirt, guys. We're just filling this up here with about 1-2 inches. We are 7 inches down, so we're gonna fill in some dirt 1 to 2 inches, then try to work it in with the existing clay just a little bit, just to kind of like mix it up a little bit, and then we're gonna fill in all the way. Final step is gonna be installing sod. So Matt is hauling in the little dirt right now, wheelbarrow by wheelbarrow. We just got about a yard of dirt, so it goes quick. The sod is there, taking the sun bath, getting a tan. Should be done in no time. So we have an update. We are into sodding already. We have everything, like the sod is leveled out properly. Now Matt and I, we are putting down the sod. We have just about 6 rolls, and making it so we have, when we mow the lawn, we don't have to trim excessively. So we basically make it kind of like flush with a walkway here. And yeah, that's about it. Put the roller on top so everything has good root to soil contact for the sod, so it's ready to grow. And then we're going to set up the watering system. And this is one step before done. We are just rolling it so it has good
root to soil contact and no areas of the sod that's been kind of like sticking up, that doesn't have good sod to soil contact. So this basically ensures the sod is taking 100%.
So there you have it, guys. Sprinkler is in action. Putting water down for this whole new installed sod strip. And this is it. That's a wrap. So we just changed out the turf because it was way damaged and put in new topsoil. Put actually root fertilizer down too, so the roots of the sods grab on very easily and very fast. Installed water. It's gonna keep the new sod moist and watered twice a day for about 14 days before we let Mother Nature take over. So there you have it, guys. Rudy here with your yard service. If you have a little landscape enhancement project or a little lawn fix to do and don't have the resources or the manpower to do it, give us a quick call, 780-218-8134, or check out our website, euroyardservice.com, and see you in the lawn.